name is Melissa Chow.
My name is Natalie Dio.
My name is Minsu King.
My name is Kai Mohammed.
My name is Janelle Tran.
I'm Niall McKinnon.
I feel like it's the coolest thing anyone could ever do, especially in my field, to say that you're working on a project that's going to space, going to the moon. Like, not a lot of people can say that.
The experience I gained here was great just because it was working so close to a flight mission, and really being able to see kind of the final stages of a project coming together. Like, you know, we're still developing software, we're still doing integrated testing as the actual flight vehicles are being built in the wall right behind us.
I think the most fun part has been operating the Rovers. So getting to be hands-on and working with the flight software engineers. So you get to talk with them about what they're doing and you get to help them actually accomplish that goal.
I assist a lot of testings of our development model, and also I assist collecting the ground truth data during the mobility testings for CADRE, so we could utilize that data to further enhance our navigation algorithms.
Seeing it go from just a basic design and a concept to the developmental models taking its first steps to now the flight models taking its first steps. Because this is a technology demonstration, this is going to shape the future of space exploration. And so I feel like I'm making a difference.
This is actually my graduating semester from my bachelor's, so being able to have this internship experience right before I go out into industry has been invaluable. At times it can be overwhelming, but always in a good way, because I feel like no matter what sort of challenges that I've had to face every day or whatever new things that we have to learn, I'm always getting something out of it.
CADRE was so unique in which I felt like I had a family. I felt like I was making meaningful contributions, and I felt at home, and I was excited to come to work every single day.